Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my small project. This project is an inventory management system and it's based on the Android platform, and I have used the Firebase database. So these are all my activity over here, like how to add item, dashboard activity, delete item, items, login activity, main activity, and register activity. And all these code are in GitHub. So if you want to download it and look at the each activity and the class, you can look it from there. Over here in this video, I'm gonna just show you how my app works. So let's run it. This is my login screen, but it just like pop up, but I'm gonna show you with this splash screen. It's the splash screen, and after that you can either register or log in. So I'm gonna just log in with my previous account because I have my inventory over there so that I can show you. So let's log in. It's gonna take a while because of my internet connection. Say login successful, and once you log in, it's gonna show you the welcome and your uh, name. I have given it by the email address by taking out, and you can add item over here. You can add item by scanning the barcode using the phone's back camera, and I'm gonna show you how the camera works. So let's just scan barcode QR code. It's gonna ask you to allow it. Since I have put my hand on the finger, so in my camera it's not showing anything, but if I open it, it's gonna scan the barcode and go back. And once you scan the barcode automatically comes over here in the number barcode QR code, and you can write all the category name and everything, and you can add the item. Since right now the barcode is not scanned, so it gives a error. And after that, if you want to delete a product, you can scan the barcode. You can scan the barcode. Once you scan the barcode, it automatically will pop up in this activity. So, and in the code number there will be a barcode, and you can just delete the item. And if you want to view the inventory, you can search it too. Like let's search. I mean, you can either scan the item by the barcode and you can search it, or you can just write the barcode over there and you can search it. Just write 01. If I have some item on the 01, like starting from 01, it's gonna show the item. See, item 01 is the barcode start from 01, so it came. So, and if there's any name as a still like that, it's gonna show up. If not, nothing will be 9. You see there's another item from the barcode 9, so it shows up. So if you write 8, it won't. See, 9.8, there is nothing starting from 9.8, so it won't show up. So the scanning is pretty good. And if you want to view all the inventory, how many inventory you have inside the database, and you can see like a number of items 25 and the total sum this much, and these all are the items that I pushed in the list view. And I want to show you the database for this. Since I use the Firebase database, so everything will be over here. And let's go to, and 1 second. Okay, let's go to console. I'll scan. Whenever they register, I have made sure like that in my database everything is sorted by either item or I either by the uh, email. So like a heaven, we're looking for the heaven, right? So whenever the login is gonna show up in my database with the heaven at gmail.com. That's how it is in the database. You going inside this users database. Now inside the heavens database we have item by category. Each item stays in the database by category, like a flower, food, and the liquor. If you want a person, if you want the year, that's all stays by a category. And these are all the 25 items that you saw inside the app. See, 011 is the miscellaneous dope, and if you search the same thing over here, pip product 01, search, you're gonna see the same item, miscellaneous dope, price 6, everything over here. And you can add item, delete item, view item, and view inventory. This is actually a good inventory management app, but we have to put the quantity too. So when I make an app, I forgot to put it, but you can easily put it, and you can log out from here. I have made a logout button too, but the database is pretty awesome, and I have put all my code in a GitHub. So if you go down below the link, and you can go to the link for my GitHub, and you can download this app and use it. I have put all the screenshots and how it, scans it and everything, so you can look it from here too. In this video, I didn't open the camera to scan anything because like I'm inside the house right now, and it really works. If you want to see it actually working, just download it and try it. I can show you by camera. 1 second, okay? Whenever I add a product, and it's kind of barcode. Let me get a barcode from somewhere else. Let's scan. So scan the barcode and put it directly down there. So let's add this product as what should be the product name? Should be phone. Just for phone, and the category should be phone, and the price should be, let's put it for a grand. Add item. Phone added. Now if you want to see the same inventory in a item inventory, you can see it. Phone. See phone over here. The price $1,000, and if you want to search it too, you can search it. I'm not gonna search it using the camera, but I'm just gonna write 03 because I need the barcode. See 03 phone. This app is like literally good, and it scans the barcode very fast. And not only a barcode, you can even scan the QR code with this. So you can use this as a good reference for your project. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you want to get this app, just go to the GitHub and download it. Have a good one.